Hello, I'm Dr. Musa from Excel Laser Vision Institute, and today I'd like to speak to you about a newer procedure using the laser vision correction process called SMILE, which is small lenticular extraction procedure. A number of patients have come in inquiring about SMILE, and we're one of the few centers in the country that does offer SMILE vision correction surgery because we have the VisuMax Zeiss laser. The incredible thing about SMILE, much like LASIK, is it's another opportunity and a different way of correcting your vision to achieve the endpoint of seeing clear without contacts or glasses. A typical SMILE patient walking in would come into on surgery day, obviously excited about the process and having this procedure done. We'd walk you in, do the tests, the preliminary tests that we need to do, which includes the topography and tomography systems, having the doctor recheck your vision, having us establish our endpoint goals, bring you into the laser room, and that's where the process begins. And it's so exciting because it's more of a conversation experience over about 5 to 8 minutes that you're experiencing more than anything else. So when our patient comes in for a SMILE procedure, we bring him to the laser room, into the VisuMax laser. We begin the process by having you look at a green blinking light, and within about 5 to 8 minutes, the process is almost complete. And then we move on to the second eye. You sit up, almost seeing about a 50 to 70% improvement in your vision, almost immediately. That continues over the course of the day, and the next day you're able to drive yourself in without contacts or glasses. This is the true remarkable miracle of what laser vision correction surgery can mean for you if you're a good candidate for it. And I wish for you to look forward to discovering that with us. If you would like to look us up at exceleye.com, exceleye.com, or call us at 866-923-9235, we'll be happy to evaluate your eyes and tell you if you're a good candidate for this procedure. Thank you.